In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the zip hydro tap cover. Now there are screws on the side, on both sides of the zip, and there are also two screws at the front. Now you will need to use the hex key to remove it. So one on the left and one on the right. And some more screws on the right hand side of the machine. Okay, you need to use this hex key here, or the Torx key. If you have a drills, that's great. Put it into the drills, hand drills, and you can get it out. If you don't have a drill, you can use this tool here. This will allow you to manually unscrew the hex screws. So remove the two screws at the front, at the bottom front. This is what it looks like. And here we need to lift out and then lift up the front cover. So it has a small clip right there that clips into the frame. So you need to move it out and then move it up. Next, you need to remove the screws on the side of the case, on the left side, as well as on the right side. At the top here, there are 3 holes that you need to remove as well. So remove the outlet and the cold and the hot water holes. And then we lift up the case and then pull it out. And that's how you can remove the zip hydro tap cover. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.